Hey guys, today I have another Kitchen Emperor Damascus steel knife to show you guys. There was a little misunderstanding here. Kitchen Emperor sent me a box with these two knives in it, and I thought they were the same knife. I thought it was one to review and one to give away, and I reviewed the chef's knife a couple days ago, and I was going to give this one away. And they said, no, that's actually a different knife. So I'm still going to give away a chef's knife like that. It will just be on me rather than giving away this one. So this is a similar knife, 67 layer Damascus steel. This booklet kind of tells you how it's made. It has a G4 handle, comes with a cloth to wipe it off. And here's what this knife looks like. This is a Santoku knife. It's a Japanese style knife, but like I said, this is 67 layer Damascus steel. Real pretty knife. Here's how it compares to the chef's knife that they sent me. So let me find something and we'll try cutting something with it. Found an apple, so let's try that first. I've never used this style of knife before, so I'm kind of curious to see how it works here. Seems very sharp. Doesn't even take much effort at all. I'm kind of curious. Let me try the chef's knife just to see how it compares. Yeah, kind of a different feel between that and the chef's knife. I will be interesting to use this more over time and see how I like it compared to the chef's knife. I have a pineapple, so let's see how it does on that. Goes right through that pineapple. It's kind of a nice feel to this knife. I kind of like it. Once again, let me try the chef's knife compared to that just to see how it feels, what the difference is. Yeah, there is a difference in the feel of it. These are both great knives though. These are both really nice knives. I will put the link to Amazon for both of them, and I have to go do the drawing to give away the chef's knife, and I'll notify the winner. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.